Okay, I don't know the actual name for this exercise, but it's one that I got from Poliquin's website, so we'll call it Poliquin abs. Charles Poliquin, Poliquin. Okay. Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go behind here, grab that tricep rope, and you're going to crunch, extend, and then come back. And the reason is you're going to create a longer lever arm when you extend it overhead, so it's going to be more difficult for that negative portion of the phase. As you come back, you're going to want to let one vertebrae at a time come back. Okay, think of almost like unrolling a belt or a piece of sod. That's how you're going to come back down onto the bench. Okay, so let's take a look. And you can play with the angles as well. Keep your arms up by your ears. All the way back.